So here we go for day 2.
We've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business, not because they want.
Just pulled up at Mel's. They go to Camaro, so we can work on this project. They go Mel's truck right there. Do me a favor, y'all. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button. The Hardbody project, man. Part 2. How you making out, bro?
All right, man.
Been out here for a while today?
About 12 o'clock, man. We got the first coat of putty on the hood.
All right, all right.
All right.
Yeah, we take a look at that thing, man. Looking good. She's looking good. Yeah, spray it up. And like I was saying before and shit, bought this goddamn truck. Old Mel came out, thought I was going crazy. Picked up a hammer and nail. He almost hit me with it and shit.
It was a questionable decision.
It was a questionable decision. I saw that look in his eye and shit. That motherfucker said, "Lee, you must have lost your mind." I said, "Fuck it, Mel. You gotta live dangerous and shit." He said, "You living dangerous? They ain't dangerous." He said, "That's just straight stupid." I said, "Come on, Mel. We can do this, man. We can make this happen. Stop playing with me, man. Stop playing." So, dude, what are you on, a coffee break? Come on, man. Water break? Is those allowed over here? What the fuck, man? We got work to do, right? So as we pulled ourselves together, it was time to get to work. So what you doing right here, Melly Mel? What's the
putty on it?
little putty on it?
Putty on it.
And what's the purpose of that?
Well, you want to smooth the cracks out. You know, you got indications of where the rust is at. You have to move the pinholes
Right.
here and there.
Right.
You want to smooth everything out. So you get a nice smooth paint job on the paint.
Yeah, man. A lot of people don't know that, man. Some information is good information. Yeah, that's what Mel was talking about. The fiberglass on the over like that. Came out looking pretty good. Good job. Yep, here we go again with a little more grinding. But that's what it takes to get the job done. You gotta put a little hard work into it. But hanging out with your boy or something like that, it's not even hard work. It's just like hanging out, man. Just working for yourself, getting stuff done. And like I said, me and Melly Mel go way back. Damn, dude, how you gonna go to Harbor Spring? That's our spot. Without me and shit, motherfucker.
Yeah, it was 2 times ago. What can I tell you and shit?
God damn, man. You know what I'm saying? That's a low day. I'm gonna go to Harbor Spring without you. I don't know. Gotta question that homeboy when he do that shit. I seen one video where the guy was, they had like a hole in the rust pipe, but he used the fiberglass on it.
Right.
Will that be strong enough to hold it?
Yeah, sure. Once it runs up.
That's it.
Yeah, once it runs up.
Damn. Fiberglass stronger than I thought.
Once it runs up.
Yeah.
But I mean, if you're gonna do all that, you can just patch it with a piece of metal. You know.
No, but I'm saying like everybody don't have the tools and shit like that.
This is true.
And you know, people park on the street or something like that. Sometimes you just get a spot to work on.
Right.
And you pull your car out there and you just want to seal some little rust shit, you know?
Yeah, no, it's definitely you can use it for that.
He used it. He had a rust spot like in the frame of his car. And he
Well,
used
I don't know about that.
He used it. He used it. He put some shit in there and he used it to seal that shit up. And I don't know if it worked or not, but I ain't hear nothing else from him after that. That motherfucker might have went off a cliff and shit.
Yeah, I don't.
That motherfucker might have broke.
For the frame of the car.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't know about that.
Yeah, that shit might have broke off, and then I ain't seen no more videos from him and shit. So good luck, brother, wherever you at, man.
Hurry
You know what I'm saying? Life is what you make it. And here we go again. More grinding, more grinding, more grinding. Hey man, I'm surprised this truck lasts this long.
Well,
Remember when we first got it? I said, yo, you know what? That truck in bad shape. It's good. It's just gonna take a minute, son. Yeah, y'all, so this is why it costs a lot of money when you put your car in the shop. It takes a lot of hard work to get this right. You gotta keep going over the same thing over and over. Sorry, Mel. So, yo, Mel, what you put on that joint, man?
just hold the putty on it.
Okay.
And smooth out. Go over it with some 320 and give some primer on it and paint it up as well.
Yeah, man. That's looking good, bro. It's looking real good. Still, you ain't lose your touch, man.
Not yet. Well, you know.
You still got it.
I still got it.
You was feeling that night, man.
I was sitting on the job with the chick in the garage and shit, you know, just chilling and shit.
You just watching shit, watching random shit like that.
Shit,
God damn! I remember one time they had, you know, the young kids was getting off, punching old dudes and trying to knock them out or some shit like that, man. I was saying, what the fuck? I'm like, yo, I wish one of them young motherfuckers wanted to me with that shit. That nigga hit me. I'm gonna be like, okay, my turn. Try to hit me, nigga. Why? So yo, Pete, if you out there, you're supposed to be over there helping us with this truck, motherfucker. All right, I'm gonna see you in the next video.
Yep, here we go. Back to the grind. A little bit of hard work. Somebody once told me hard work builds character. So while Mel was over there sanding the hood of the truck down, I was on the other side in the corner over there, working on the other wheel well. And it was hotter than a mother father. But that's all right. We'll still get it done. Heat or not.
Mel said this gonna take a minute. But here we go. Maybe what, 4 or 5 years later? If not longer than that, man. She's still rolling, man. She's still rolling. So if I'm mistaken, I know Mel want me to knock that shine off. Alright? Anything that's shining, you gotta take it off.
Yeah, see? It's gonna come out smooth just like that. I know there's a lot of different colors in it, but that's alright. As long as the paint is even and smooth. So good old Mel had to step out for a bit, but he left me with the garage, the tools, and a bottle of water. Shoot, that's all I need to get some work done. I could build a house with that. Let's do it. Let's get to them lights in the front. Yeah, them things need to be knocked out. Get that stuff out the way and try to save some time. Look at that, easy peasy when you got the right tools. So see, I want to have a lot of this stuff knocked out before Mel get back. Got to save us a lot of time. Yeah. So now, all I got to do is get these back lights out. It should be easy. I think they already loosened up. What I got to do is try to get a little bit more of the sanding out. She's still a little bit rough. So what I'm going to do is sand the back all like that. Make it nice and smooth. So yeah, we got a lot of this work done. All right. My boy was gone. But I think I hear his truck pulling up now.
Back into the give.
What's going on, YouTube?
Yeah, enough for the prime.
Yeah, we'll get the prime on tonight. Hopefully we can get it painted on Saturday.
Yeah, man.
In good shape.
So what's that stuff you putting on there, Mel? What exactly does that do? Tell the YouTube people.
I'm just wiping the dirt off so the prime doesn't stick better. That's all.
Okay. Yeah.
You know, a dirty hood when you prime, because it's dirt all in it when you prime.
If you get dirt in there, how you get that stuff out of there?
Well,
you can't.
Sand it out is about the only thing you can do. Start over and shit.
Damn.
Yep, that's Melly Mel. Comes in and get right back to work.
The project and stuff, and one of our friends didn't help us out. But when I went down there in front of them, that motherfucker said, "Yo, Reed, I ain't no fighter, man. I was scared." But I told him he was scared, but at least he admitted this. You know what I'm saying? Like he didn't try to lie and say this and that, or yo, I didn't even see what happened or some dumb shit. That nigga said straight up that he was scared. He was scared. He ain't no fighter, and he wasn't. So yo, you be honest like that, we cool.
Feel you 100%. there, bro.
Word up. You gotta be honest, man. You gotta be real, you know, with yourself, man. Don't try to be somebody you're not. Just be you, man. You're nervous, you're scared. Then so be it.
You got more heart than you think you got.
Yeah.
You stand there and tell me what you
So yeah, y'all, the day was getting long and we got a lot of work done. Should be wrapping this up soon. Can't wait for all of this to get done. It's gonna really look nice. Just a little bit more hard work and it's all gonna pay off. So I think that's enough work for today. We made a lot of progress. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And join me next time for part 3, the Hardbody project, the paint, on L.B'S time. Peace.